Welcome to Raj classes. Those who are watching our videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Today we discuss how to convert binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. There are mainly two methods to convert to decimal from binary. What are those? First method is positional notation method. Notation method. Second one is doubling method. Doubling method. Let us take one example. 1010 base 2. Base 2 means binary number. Convert it to what? Decimal. That means base 10. Clear? Come to first method. This is positional notation method. Positional notation method. Clear? Just see. 1010 base 2. I have already discussed. This is what? LSB. This is LSB. This is position 0. This is position 1. This is position 2. This is position 3. Clear? And this is MSB. In positional notation method, we have to travel from right to left. Right to left. That means from LSB to MSB. Clear? Right to left we have to travel. Then what will the decimal value? The decimal value will be what? Now digit sum of what? Digit into 2 to the power position. 2 to the power position. All of you clear? Now come to the example. This is 1010 base 2. Clear? This will be equal to what? This is position 0. This is first digit. 0 into 2 to the power what? Position. Here position is, for this digit position is 0. Then plus, we have to find the sum of. So next digit is 1 into 2 to the power position is 1 plus similarly 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. Clear? This will be equal to, this is 0 into something, this is 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, this is 2 plus 0 into something, this is 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8. This will be 8. Clear? And total will be 10. Clear? This is the decimal value for 1010. 1010 base 2 will be what? Now 10 base 10. Clear? Now come to what? Second method. That is doubling method. Doubling method. In doubling method, what you will do? First, you have to travel from here left to right. Clear? That means from MSB to LSB. from MSB to LSB. Your question was what? 1 0 1 0. Same question. I am taking base 2. Clear? For this method, you take. We have to travel from left to right. MSB to LSB. Take the first digit from left side. Clear? Again, double it. As name is doubling, means we have to double each time. Double what we are getting. We got what? 1, we have to double. This will be 1 into 2. And add with the next digit. Next digit is what? 0. Next digit is 0. We have to add. This will be what? This will be 2. Clear? Then we got 2. 2 into. We have to double. Then plus. Add with the next digit. This will be 1. This will be 5. Clear? Then again double. We have to multiply with 2. Again add with the next digit. This is 0. This will be 10. We got the result. Clear? So in doubling method we got 1 0 1 0 base 2 equal to 10 base 10. All of you understood? Now take another example. Take another example. One zero one one zero base 2. 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. Now see, this is, we have to travel from right to left here. In the first method we have to travel from right to left, LSB to MSB. This will be what? 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power again 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. Clear? This will be equal to what? This will be 0 into something 0 plus this is 2, this is 4, this is 0, this is 16. Clear? This will be equal to 22. Got it? So 1 0 1 0 base 2 equal to 22 base 10. We got it? So 1 0 1 1 0 with 1 0 1 1 0 base 2 equal to 22 base 10. Got it? This is how you will find binary to decimal in positional notation method. Come to second method. Same question I am doing. I will do, just see, 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. Clear? Take the first digit, travel from left to right, take the first digit, we got, then double it, add with the next digit, this will be 0, this will be 2. Clear? Then we got 2 into double it, we have to multiply with 2, again add with the next digit, this will be 1, this will be 5. Clear? Then we got 5 into double it, multiply by 2, plus next digit is 1, this is 11. We got it. Then 11 into double it, multiply by 2, plus next digit is 0. Now this is 22. Got? So the decimal value for 1 0 1 1 0 base 2 is 22 base 10. All of it clear? This is how you will convert from binary to decimal. Now take another example for fractional binary. Just see how you will convert fractional binary to decimal. fractional binary to decimal. Fractional binary to decimal. Let us take one example. 1011.101. This is base 2. Base 2 means binary. Now convert it to what? Base 10 means decimal. Just remember how we will convert. First, divide the number to integral part and fractional part. Clear? Second, convert each part to decimal. Each part to decimal. Then third, combine both the parts to get result. Clear? Now come to example. What? 1011.101 base 2. Okay. Here this is the integral part. So 1011 is the integral part. How we will convert to decimal? You know, I have already discussed. This will be equal to what? 1 into, we have to travel from right to left. 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power what? 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. Clear? This will be equal to 2 to the power 0 is 1. So this will be 1. This will be 2 plus this will be 0. 0 into something 0. This will be 8. Total will be 11. Clear? Now 1011 base 2. This is nothing but 11 base 10. Clear? Now come to what? Fractional part. How will you convert? Fractional part, just see 101.101. Here the position of first digit is -1. This is -2. This is position is -3. Understood? So same process. This will be what? 1 into 2 to the power -1 plus this will be 0 into 2 to the power what? -2 plus 1 into what? 2 to the power -3. Clear? This will be equal to what? This is 1 by 2. Nothing but what? 0.5. This is 0 into something 0 plus this is 1 by 8. This is 0.125. Clear? This will be equal to 0.625. Got it? So the decimal value for 0.101, the decimal value for 0.101 will be what? 0.625 base 10. Third point, combine both the parts to get the result. Combine both the parts to get the result. Combine both the parts to get the result. For integer part, you see the result is what? 11. This will be 11 plus. Clear? 11 plus. For the fractional part 101, the result is 0.625. This is 0.625. Clear? This is base 10. Clear? Now this is equal to 11.625 base 10. This is the decimal value for what? 1011.101 base 2. All of you understood? Today we will stop here, and in next video we will see more about the conversion. Thank you.